Start video by us three smelly freshers. Shouldn't be told, bitch. Cool.
Wait, we're doing half and half.
Yeah. So we have some balsamic vinegar and some lovely.
Oh, that's a bit full.
Yeah.
Get a look at that. Get a look at that.
Oh, it's got that last one.
I'll have the last
I
one
don't know.
with the most vodka.
Right, that's the best one to have.
Is it tequila? That's the word. Right. Live, love, lax. Oh, hello. Live, love, lax.
Oh, that's the worst shot I've ever done in my life.
Can you explain what you're going to do, please?
Basically, as this is lacrosse, Phoebe is going to be shaving L's into the side. Are you doing it in the back? Side of our heads.
Are you doing the both ones?
No, just the one. Just the ones that look more retarded.
More retarded.
How do I. What?
Oh.
I'm glad Ed's a Tesla.
Yeah.
This works for me. How's that going?
It's not working. Like. So am I
Someone
doing
take a.
Do a fat one. Oh no,
Here we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
Oh no.
Oh my days.
Oh.
Yo.
Oh. Okay, yeah.
We're friends, right?
Eden, you're
Tell me
Oh, this can be hard. You're going to have to use higher.
Oh, I want to do it.
Do it higher. Do it higher.
Oh, that's mine looks like. That's alright.
But yours looks good, doesn't it?
Cheers. Thank you.
You can't really see it.
Oh, keep going then. Make it bigger.
He said make it bigger.
Yeah, make it bigger.
Go higher, go higher. He said make it bigger.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think I can feel it, so I'm pretty sure it's back there now.
I mean.
Yeah, go to the long hair. Oh, there you go. That's better. That's better.
Yeah, cheers, Phoebe. You're the best.
There we go.
No!
There we go.
I'm gonna remember this.
Okay.
I'm going to remember this.
And now, Fresher Cakes, made by Chef Edward Owen.
Ed, we need to talk you through what you're putting, what all the ingredients are.
I think we're starting with a bit of milk, you know? Lovely, nice bit. Oh, that's cold! Oh, lovely!
Oh god.
Oh, a bit more one for everyone. Just finish that milk.
I'm going to.
Oh man,
I want more for a cup of tea afterwards. I'm gonna make a mess of your flat as well.
Next, having a bit of flour. Oh god. Oh yes. Yeah, lovely. Oh, it's getting my eye.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's like properly like.
It's on my foot. Fuck.
You're right, buddy. You're gonna be okay.
Okay. Next,
Oh, I'm really sorry.
2 eggs each. Nice, good old crack. I'm waiting.
Can I do one myself?
I'm really sorry, Phoebe. You're the only one I feel bad for.
Should we do the second one ourselves?
No.
Ram it in the head.
Fucking hell.
There's fucking do love in this, is there?
Oh,
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah.
Right.
What happened? Did it not break the first time?
Now,
What am I doing next?
a bit of butter. You know, smear it on. Smear it on. Oh yeah. Butter me up.
Put me up.
Oh fuck.
His nose.
Oh no.
Oh no. Now, a little bit of sugar, make it all sweet. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a dandruff.
Yeah, for real. Oh.
Oh, my nose. Oh, hello.
Now to make you look pretty.
Ah.
Give it a stir.
Oh, lovely.
Hello?
Give it a nice little
What?
stir.
Oh, I've seen these.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Ice and sugar. Hello. Oh, oh, that's thick.
Oh.
Oh, that's thick.
Oh,
Fucking hell.
I
Oh,
can feel it.
there you go. Oh.
I even feel like I've got that much shit on my hands.
Ah. You know, we don't have cherries.
So
we
much.
have sprinkles.
We do have
We
sprinkles.
Some
So,
lovely,
let's top these cakes.
That's not working.
Open all
Oh,
four.
open it up.
Oh, it actually tastes lush. It's real nice.
Ah,
Oh.
ah, 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 it's in my eye.
I've used them all.
Use them all,
Oh,
eh?
yeah. What? Alright, give me some of that. Okay. Yeah, thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching. Don't make us talk, bitch.
Make Ed talk, bitch.
Yeah.